Hi guys, here on attend complaint. Daikin VRV 3 thermostat blinking. The error code is LC. LC means most of the time the PCB board problem. The inverter board, fan board, and the main PCB board we need to check. So we go to CU side. We just take out the cover and then check the main PCB board. The error code have or not.
Hello guys, just now we check with the error code LC. So we just come on, this one is VRV3 system. So we just come and see the main PCB board also same have light. So we just take out the main PCB board and check the inverter PCB board one by one, because LC is so many problem have. So we need to check one by one which is the problem. So now we take out the front cover. We just go through checking what is one by one. I check first. Now one by one, why we take out. Off. Like this begin, okay. No need touching thing I can do. Now one by one we take out the wire. We take out the main PCB board to inverter board wire. Just take out. After we take out this cover. So already we take out the wire. So we need to check the. After we take out the main PCB board, we need to check the inverter PCB board, fan board PCB also need to check. So we just here check the PCB board here bend the little bit smell coming, the bend smell. So see, so we need to replace this inverter PCB board. This one we take out time must checking properly the wire, because this one is now the model is the VRV3 inverter PCB board, and the new PCB board are different. Something the modification have the wire modification. So we need to take out the wire must just something identification which one you can easy can take, because we already one unit replace, so we can know the wire. So you must take out time must checking properly. I will just take out one by one. This one is compressor wire. Compressor also all wire. So here once two screw have, these two screw need to take out the screw. Just take out these two screw. So this one is the old inverter PCB board, and this one is new inverter PCB board. Lucky we have a standby one inverter PCB board have, so we just try to replace, because the LC is what problem cannot understand. Must change one by one, only we can understand. After we replace this inverter board, can try. So this one is going to be, somehow you see the wire all different. This one is different, see here also different. So already they give some wire, they already this wire is not cannot use, because this pin is different. This pin is different, this pin is different, and another here also is different. This one is compressor pin also different. This one is compressor one, this one is a noise filter to here coming on. So we just the VRV3, now the PCB board is different one, so we just put back the new PCB board and try first. PCB board we just put back, just put back and just put back one screw, drop screw give. Screw like you. Just like this two screw. One. Okay, now we join back the new compressor. This is the new compressor. We just run the compressor. So we just here also sometime confusion, the black, red, white, black. So we just join the red piece. Red one is first one. Here is the red one is first one. So we just join the. Careful, this is very easy. So we just same the compressor join back ready, and then we take the inverter supply also. So this one also different one. So we just same color. Red color is first, and then white second, and then the white. Is for the fan motor PCB board power supply. P1, P2, and then also one neutral. Okay, now somehow one pin have. There is the pin, this pin, somehow the okay. This one is from here, this one from here. If you join, sometime you thinking wrong, you just check with the wiring diagram. You can check connection from where to where we can check. Okay, these two wire go to the main PCB board. So everything we join back ready. So hold back the production hold. We replace the new inverter board. We just unback the unit. Still the unit also haven't start. Still the light also 7 segment light also haven't stopped. The number 2. See, wait for few minutes left. After that, system running okay. Again the LC error code coming. Need to check one by one. Again another one also need to check. Other parts also, compressor and fan also need to check. Still you can see the light still the blinking have, so we need to wait for few minutes. First we check with the compressor the short circuit or compressor is okay, so that we replace the inverter PCB board. So we replace inverter PCB board and unback the unit. Wait for a few minutes. The light number 2 is off automatic. The system can run. See, number 2 light off. So number 3 indication light is on. So now the system can start ready. System can start ready. Again the I open the cover. Light 3 on, light 3 1 is on. See, the PCB board is same PCB board. Just now we replace the PCB board, and then the motor can run. The compressor haven't still run. I'm waiting for the compressor. Just, now compressor can start ready. See, now the sound also, compressor sound can pick up now. So we just for LC error code we just check one by one, because LC means so many problems, but they say communication for inverter board to main PCB board, but normally so many problem for LC error code. Before that we replace another unit also, same the error code LC-14 or VRV4. So with this unit we replace the main PCB board, inverter board and fan motor also replace, because 3 also replace only we can, this system can run. So for LC error code we check one by one, so now system can run. See, now system running, the fan motor running. So the LC means the need to test one by one the CU condenser unit. After we replace the inverter PCB board, the system back to normal. See, the system is now, the thermostat is now 17, the system became cool now.